Healthy skin begins with proper hygiene. Did you know professional care focuses on safety and precision? Relax and learn with this calm, clean ASMR session, designed to teach you professional Brazilian waxing techniques safely. Welcome to MTH Health. Today, we aim to enhance your self-care awareness through this video. All demonstrations follow strict professional hygiene standards. We begin with proper hand sanitation. Clean gloves are worn throughout the session. The skin is gently cleansed to remove surface residue. This step is crucial. It reduces irritation and helps achieve smooth, healthy skin safely. Wax temperature is carefully monitored for safety. Correct consistency protects the skin barrier effectively. A quick safety test is performed before use. This controlled preparation ensures maximum comfort during waxing. A protective layer is applied before waxing begins. Hair removal is done in small, controlled sections for precision. Gentle technique minimizes unnecessary skin stress. Precision is always prioritized over speed to achieve the best results. Cooling products are applied to calm the skin and reduce sensitivity. Aftercare supports healthy skin recovery. Proper care at this stage is key to maintaining smooth, long-term results. Professional waxing is safe when performed correctly. Hygiene and consistency are crucial for optimal results. Using the right technique consistently helps achieve smoother skin over time. Thank you for watching this ASMR session on Brazilian waxing. If you found it relaxing or informative, hit like and subscribe to MTH Health for more professional self-care tutorials. We are dedicated to bringing you educational, ASMR content focused on wellness and hygiene.